Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can open or close a floating keyboard on the Samsung Galaxy S23 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. From the home screen, swipe down at the top and then tap on the settings icon. In settings, scroll down and tap on general management. Next, we scroll down and tap on Samsung keyboard settings. And in here, again, we scroll down and tap on mode. In here, in portrait view section or in landscape view section, you can select floating keyboard. You can also have floating keyboard in landscape mode. Alright, so after that, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Now I'm going to open up Samsung Notes and I will bring up the keyboard. You can see here now the keyboard is in floating mode. So you can tap on done. So in floating mode, the keyboard can be floated around the screen. Okay, so I can move by simply dragging on the gray bar at the bottom here. I will be able to move my keyboard around the screen. So here we got the keyboard. So I think once we have resized it, it doesn't let me resize it again. So let me see what happens if I close it and reopen. Okay. So maybe if I go back into settings mode and I'd go back to floating keyboard, let's see what happened. Alright, so it doesn't allow me to resize it anymore. So this is the size here that I have to use, but I can move them around the screen. I can have it at the top of the screen or at the bottom of the screen. Or I can drag it all the way down to the bottom and that will become a standard keyboard again. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.